Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Fidelity 401k account online. First thing I want you to do is just log into your account that you have, and then here under your portfolio you'll see retirement savings options. So click here, view details, and then under retirement savings you can choose to enroll in the different options. So let's choose that one, and there's two ways to enroll. You can do the easy enroll, or you can do the standard enrollment option, where you basically are able to customize your choices, including the savings rate, investment options before you enroll, which is what we'll do, a standard enrollment. And then you basically set your contributions here, how much you'd like to contribute from each paycheck. You'll be choosing your investments, and then you consolidate your retirement savings. So click here on begin, and then here you enter your contribution per pay period. Okay, you can choose the percentage you want. Then here on continue, now you choose how to invest your money. So you either enroll in a managed account, okay, where what will happen is they'll all go ahead and select investment according to the information they have or that you provide to them, and they'll make adjustments that align to your retirement goals. You can also select a target date fund, where basically they'll reinvest by automatically rebalancing your investments as you're getting closer to retirement. And you can also choose your own investments as well. Okay, so choose the option. Let's do a managed account, for example. Then here you just enter your desired percentages that you want to invest of your portfolio every single month. So make sure everything here adds up to 100%, right? Then you proceed further, and they'll show you a whole prospectus as well for everything. So you can see a total portfolio percentage, what kind of stocks there are in those funds. So you'll see all the details regarding these investments. Once you've chosen it, you'll see a prospectus, because they're legally obligated to share a prospectus with you when you choose their investment. So you just go through the whole thing. So as you can see, they're required to do that. You select an option for each fund. Okay, so you can view that and then hit continue. And once you've reviewed that, you can also review your contributions, the percentages, and then here hit submit. Okay, and we're basically enrolled into this 401k. And you can either enroll a new plan, continue your current plan, and you can choose how you want to do your rollovers. You can do it into your workplace retirement plan or into a Fidelity IRA as well. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.